In this tutorial, we are going to calculate mean velocity and maximum velocity when we have fluid flow in a pipe with the laminar flow. From theory, you will recall that in case of laminar flow, the velocity profile is parabolic. As shown here, the velocity will be maximum along the central axis, and it decreases from the central axis to the internal pipe surface. So let's look at the problem statement. We are looking at a liquid food being pumped under laminar flow conditions in a 4-meter long pipe. The internal diameter of the pipe is 3 centimeters. The viscosity of the liquid is 0.06 Pascal second. The pressure drop is 450 pascals. We are to calculate the velocity along the central axis of the pipe and also determine the mean velocity of the liquid in the pipe. So in terms of given, the pipe diameter is 3 centimeters, and we should convert that into meters. That'll make it easier for us later in calculations. So the conversion is 0.03 meters. The pipe length is 4 meters. The pressure drop is 450 Pascal. The viscosity is 0.06 Pascal second, and that is same as 0.06 kilograms per meter second, noting that 1 Pascal second equals 1 kilogram per meter second. So we use the formula U equals delta P over 4 mu L times the uppercase R square minus the lowercase r square, where the uppercase R is the internal radius of the pipe and lowercase r is the distance from the central axis along the radial direction. Now, before we begin with the solution, we will note that the units of pressure, pascals, are same as kilogram per meter second square. We will use those in our calculation. So first we will use our formula to determine the velocity at the central axis of the pipe, where lowercase r is 0. Then U equals 450, and instead of Pascal we write kilogram per meter second square, times 0.015 square, and that's meter square, divided by 4 into 0.06 kilograms per meter second, that is the viscosity, times 4 meters, that's the length. And that equals 0.1054 meter per second, or 10.54 centimeters per second. And that is the maximum velocity at the central axis of the pipe. Now for laminar flow, we know from theory that the mean velocity is the maximum velocity divided by 2. So the mean velocity is 10.54 divided by 2, or 5.27 centimeters per second. So we have solved this problem to obtain the mean velocity as 5.27 centimeters per second and the maximum velocity as 10.54 centimeters per second.